Hi everyone, my name is Teresa and welcome to my channel. In today's video, you're gonna listen to a short audio message from my friend Jana. The goal of this video is to practice some typical Czech phrases for catching up and reconnecting with your Czech friends. In the first part of this video, we're gonna listen to this short message, and in the second part, I'm gonna break down some useful expressions. Let's begin. Now, first close your eyes and just listen to this message.
Čau Teri, tak jak se máš, co je u tebe novýho? A už jsi zdravá, jak to dopadlo s tím covidem? Byla jsi pozitivní nebo negativní? Doufám, že už se cítíš dobře. A už jsme se dlouho neviděli, tak nechtěla bys příští týden zajít na kafe nebo na večeři? Moc ráda tě uvidím a budu se na tebe moc těšit. Tak zatím, papa.
As you can see, this message is authentic and with a normal speed. I just asked Jane to speak clearly, but this is her normal speed. Well, sometimes she speaks even faster. Now, let's listen to this message again, but now with a transcription, so you can read the text at the same time.
Čau Teri, tak jak se máš, co je u tebe novýho? A už jsi zdravá, jak to dopadlo s tím covidem? Byla jsi pozitivní nebo negativní? Doufám, že už se cítíš dobře. A už jsme se dlouho neviděli, tak nechtěla bys příští týden zajít na kafe nebo na večeři? Moc ráda tě uvidím a budu se na tebe moc těšit. Tak zatím, papa.
First we have Čau Teri, jak se máš, co je novýho? So, Čau Teri, ahoj Teri, ahojky, that all means hi informally. Teri, Terezo, Terko, Terčo, we tend to modify a lot of Czech names. Jak se máš, a typical Czech phrase, how are you? I made a video specifically on this phrase up there. You can click on the link. Co je u tebe novýho? So, what's new with you? So we often tend to put those two phrases together. Jak se máš, co je nového? To catch up on your life, basically. Now, this phrase is really important in today's world. Doufám, že už se cítíš dobře. Už jsi zdravá? So, I hope that you're feeling well. Are you healthy now? Again, you can always use those two phrases together just to catch up on people's health. And since I haven't seen Jane for 1 month and she knows that I was in quarantine again, she wants to catch up if I was positive or negative. I was negative. Byla jsem negativní. Now, nechtěla bys zajít příští týden na kafe nebo na večeři? Would you like to go out for coffee or dinner next week? We often say in negation, like, wouldn't you want to go for a coffee? Just to suggest, like, would you like this idea? But you can always say, chtěla bys, would you like to? It's just something quite common that we do in Czech. Moc ráda tě uvidím a budu se na tebe moc těšit. Moc ráda tě vidím means literally I'm really glad, really happy to see you. And if you say uvidím, it's just going to be in the future. I'll be so happy to reconnect, to see you again. A budu se na tebe moc těšit. Also a very, very popular Czech phrase. I'll be really looking forward to seeing you. Or you can simply say it in present. Moc se na tebe těším. Tak zatím, papa. Again, we use those two phrases quite common together, or you can just say tak zatím, so see you later, see you. And papa, you will use this or hear it mostly from girls. So a girl will say it often to another girl or to her male friend, but guys don't really say this to each other really often. So papa, it means bye-bye. It doesn't mean dad like in French or Spanish. So papa. That's it for this video. I really hope that it was useful to you and that you enjoyed it. If you found value in this video and would you like to support my channel, I would really appreciate it if you supported me on the Patreon. The link is down below. Thank you, Jane, for your permission to use this audio message with my community. Let me know in the comment section if you're gonna use those phrases with your Czech friends. Thanks for watching and I will see you next week. Ciao!